Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to make reminder notification harder to miss on your iPhone. So sometimes regular reminder notification can get lost among other alerts, but if you rely on reminders for upcoming tasks, deadlines and appointments, then you should make reminders harder. And to do this, first open Reminder app on your device. Now first up, click on the plus icon at bottom right corner of the screen to create a new reminder. Here, add any of the title, then scroll down, turn on the date option and add a date. After that, add a time within the list and thereafter turn on the toggle right to urgent. Once you do this, at the selected time, your iPhone will set an alarm for you to remind you about the important task. Apart from that, you also have a repeat option. If you click on this drop down menu right to repeat, you can set a hourly repeat so that there is no chance to miss this reminder. So that's it. Just click on this tick icon at top right corner. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.